This short guide shows how to use Internet Recovery to install macOS on a new SSD. First, back up important data and ensure the Mac has power before you begin. Install the new SSD carefully, using anti-static precautions and the correct screwdrivers. Power on while holding Option Command R to start Internet Recovery and get the latest compatible macOS. When the spinning globe appears, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect. Once recovery loads, choose Disk Utility to prepare the new SSD for installation. Select the new SSD, click Erase, choose APFS format, then confirm to create the volume. Quit Disk Utility and select Reinstall macOS from the Recovery menu to begin the installer. Follow the prompts and allow the installer to download macOS over your internet connection. The Mac will reboot and continue installing. Keep it plugged in and do not interrupt the process. If the spinning globe fails, try a wired Ethernet connection, reset NVRAM, or retry Internet Recovery. When installation completes, use Migration Assistant or Restore from your backup to finish setup.